Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to my class. How are you all? I hope you all enjoyed the last class and you all are ready for my next class, right? So I hope you got up in the morning, had a wonderful bath, and you all are ready for my next class. Okay. Do anyone remember last class what we learned? Anyone? Does anyone remember? We learned about Chuhe ko mili pencil. Okay, it was the second chapter, and the chapter's name was Chuhe ko mili pencil. Okay, do you remember we took half of the lesson? Do you remember that we took half of the lesson until the pencil draw two big rounds? Remember? Do you remember that? We took the chapter until एक बड़ा गोला बनाया और फिर एक इससे भी एक बड़ा गोला बनाया और पहला गोले के अंदर तीन छोटे छोटे गोले बनाए थे. Remember that? All right. Okay. So now here we can continue with the rest of the chapter. There's a bit more left and there is lots of activities. Okay, so this is kind of a small chapter. There's a bit more left in the chapter. We'll finish that up, and there is around 4 to 5 activities, and those are really interesting activities. So I hope you enjoy the class, and so we'll move. Okay, now I'll share you the page number 16, the rest of our chapter, and here goes. Okay, now you see here the conversation between the rat and the cat extends. It keeps on continues. All right, it keeps on going. So what happens here is, अरे यह तो सेब है. Okay, I'll read the whole conversation first and then I'll start into explaining. Okay, अरे यह तो सेब है. हाँ, इसे सेब कह लेते हैं. पेंसिल फिर दूसरे बड़े गोले के पास कुछ अजीब सा चित्र खींचने लगी. अरे वाह, अब तो मज़ा ही आ गया. ये तो चम्मच है. जल्दी करो, मुझे खाना है. अरे अरे, अब तो तुम इसे बिल्ली की तरह बनाने लगी. आगे मत बनाओ. Okay, all right. So we'll go into the explanation. So the rat stands there and looks at the picture and says, "अरे यह तो सेब है." Oh, "अरे" means hey. यह means this. This is apple. ये तो सेब है. Hey, this is an apple. He's just saying that, hey, this is an apple. So the pencil smiles and you can say that the pencil is being smart. Okay, the pencil is cunning and he is being smart. So what does he say? He says that, हाँ, इसे सेब कह लेते हैं. हाँ, we can call this an apple. We can call this people call it's called an apple. इसे सेब कह लेते हैं. It's called an apple. हाँ, yes, इसे this is called an apple. See, now the chooha said that this is an apple, and the pencil, cunningly said, and he was smart, so he said, yes, this is an apple. So what happened? We can see that पेंसिल फिर दूसरे बड़े गोले के पास कुछ अजीब सा चित्र खींचने लगी. Now you can see that in the picture, in the second picture, near to that old big round, remember, which had 3 small rounds inside the big round, which was like eyes and nose. Okay. Near to that, it started draw kuch ajeeb sa, something strange. Okay, so pencil फिर दूसरे बड़े गोले के पास. Pencil then near to the big circle, कुछ अजीब सा. Okay, so something strange, चित्र खींचने लगी. He started to draw something strange. चित्र is photo, drawing. खींचने लगी, to start drawing. Okay, near to that big ground, he started to draw something strange. So what does the rat says? चूहा क्या कहते हैं? अरे वाह, अब तो मज़ा ही आ गया. ये तो चम्मच है. जल्दी करो, मुझे खाना है. So he says that, अरे वाह, We all know what that is. अब तो मज़ा ही आ गया. Now it is full fun. मज़ा means fun, exciting. अब तो मज़ा आ गया. Now it is full fun. Okay. ये तो चम्मच है. चम्मच is spoon. Okay, he says that this is spoon. जल्दी करो, मुझे खाना है. Make it fast, I want to eat. जल्दी करो means make it fast. जल्दी is fast, faster. और जल्दी करो means make it faster. मुझे खाना है, मुझे खाना है. I want to eat. Okay. Then he realizes something. Okay. You can see the last sentence. अरे अब तो तुम इसे बिल्ली की तरह बनाने लगी. आगे मत बनाओ. अरे. So he's like thinking. The rat is thinking. अरे अब तो तुम इसे बिल्ली की तरह बनाने लगी. अब तो तुम. Now you are starting to draw a cat. Now you are starting to draw it like a cat. See, बिल्ली की तरह बनाने लगी. You started drawing like a cat. You understand? आगे मत बनाओ. Don't don't draw it anymore. आगे मत बनाओ. Don't draw it anymore. So now the rat is a bit scared. So, but what did happen? We'll move on to the next page, for that suspense. Okay, so here goes your page. So लेकिन पेंसिल, you can see that, लेकिन पेंसिल बनाई गई. उसने ऊपर से गोले पर लंबी लंबी मूंछ और मुंह बनाया. और क्या हुआ? अरे बाप रे, यह तो बिल्कुल असली बिल्ली लग रहा है. बचाओ. ऐसा कहकर चूहा भागकर अपने बिल में घुस गया. You see that? चुन कर लिखे. Sorry. Okay, now I'll go into the explanation. लेकिन पेंसिल बनाई गई. उसने ऊपर से गोले पर लंबी लंबी मूंछ और मुंह. ओके. लेकिन पेंसिल बनाई गई. But the pencil kept on drawing. The pencil kept on making the face. Making the drawing. Okay. उसने ऊपर से गोले पर लंबी लंबी मूंछें और मुंह. The pencil and on the circle above, ऊपर के गोले, the circle on the top पर लंबी लंबी मूंछें और मुंह बनाने गई. It started drawing लंबी लंबी big face and all. बनाया. ओके. अरे बाप रे, यह तो बिल्कुल असली बिल्ली लग रहा है. बचाओ. ओ माय गॉड. अरे बाप रे. ओ माय गॉड, ही इज स्कैर्ड नाउ. यह तो बिल्कुल असली बिल्ली लग रहा है. नाउ दिस इज लुकिंग बिल्कुल. इट इज ऑफ कोर्स लुकिंग लाइक असली बिल्ली लग रहा है. इट इज लुकिंग लाइक द रियल cat. बचाओ. Oh, help me. See, now the rat has run away. The rat got scared. You know what? At the first, what happened? The rat caught the pencil, and the pencil cunningly said that its last wish is to draw a cat. Okay. ऐसा कहकर चूहा भागकर अपने बिल में घुस गया. By saying that, the rat ran and went and hid in his hole. Now what happened? What is the best part of the story? Now the pencil is free. Pencil can go back. Pencil, what did the pencil do? What did the pencil do? Pencil did only one thing. So when the rat got the pencil said that my one last wish is to draw something. And what did it draw? Cat. What do rats fear the most? Rats are scared most about cats. Now that's what happened here. The rat got so scared and it ran away. You see that? That is how a cunning mind works. Alright?